Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2022 Kia Carnival LX with the seat package. Yes, it literally says seat package. Deep chroma blue over gray for a total sticker price of $36,975. What is like stinging me? That is weird. See, got games. Huh. So you can sit here and play video games, which that is smart. I'm not gonna sit here and play games. But that's pretty cool. X, you have YouTube. That is awesome. Good job, Kia. All your climate controls are on that side. Very much like the Sienna. This is your middle seat. But yeah, not bad. And then you have your sliding door button right there. Definitely a massive step up from the Sedona. Last time I drove one, I was like, this is getting a little bit dated. They fixed it. This one features an all-new 3.5 liter V6. It's the 8-speed auto. Nice and comfortable. Turning circle is just phenomenal. I mean, I'll demonstrate that here. Just look at that. That is just insane for a front-wheel drive car. Van. The minivan segment really is dying. Although this is not a minivan. Kia doesn't want us calling it a minivan. Oh, I forget what they call this. A multi-purpose vehicle or something like that. They're adamant they don't want to call it a minivan. This is going to compete with your Honda Odyssey, Toyota Sienna, Chrysler Pacifica. Those are your three vans left, other than this guy. That's it. It's crazy. You know, I can remember when there were so many vans out there. Oh, that's one of the detailers. Me and him are great friends. It's awesome. Kia sticking with a V6 makes this 3.5 liter really, really perfectly suited for this thing. I don't know if it's a completely new block or if it's derived from the Telluride's 3.8. If it's an all-new block, thank you, Kia, for developing a V6 for it. They could have easily put a Turbo 4 in here and ruined it. Keeping it a V6 has kept this thing fun to drive, very luxurious feeling. That's the one thing. A lot of Turbo 4s, the soundtrack just doesn't fit the vehicle. Look at the Atlas. It makes it feel cheaper. That's why I like the V6 a bit more. It's a much richer sound. That's just my opinion, but honestly, that's the way I feel, so. I will say I love how they integrated the vents down low here. And it's all basically on one line. Kind of like what Tesla did for the Model 3. How it's just one vent all the way across. They're kind of mimicking that while also doing their own thing, of course. I don't know what that was. I don't think I want to check. Looks like the weather held off for me. Thank you. We're supposed to get a massive thunderstorm around 2, 3 o'clock. I mean, it's 3 o'clock now, but I think this is the 15th or 16th vehicle I've driven today. And this little camera. Love it. I might have to buy a couple more of them, just to start sticking them elsewhere on the vehicle, provide some different camera angles. Oh, yes. Yes. Nice. Yeah, they did a good job, man. It takes a lot to make a minivan fun, and it's not a minivan. It's a multi-purpose vehicle. I think that's Bonneville calling me to pick up my car. Yay! Yeah, they're saying, hey, your car's extra broken, so, yeah. So, because I have to call them back, see if I can pick up my car. I'll go ahead and I'll wrap up the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching the Kia Carnival, man. It's awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.